Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit a check using the Chime app. First, open the Chime app and make sure you're logged in. Tap the Move Money button on the home screen. Select Mobile Check Deposit. Choose the type of check like payroll, U.S. Treasury, or other. Follow the prompts to take clear photos of the front and back of your signed check. Make sure your Chime debit card is activated. This is required to access mobile check deposit. Submit your deposit. It usually takes a couple of business days to process. And that's it. That's how to deposit a check using the Chime app. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.